Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add Popup in Hostinger Website Builder. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, log into your Hostinger H panel and click on Websites from the left-hand menu. Then find your website and click on Edit Website. Now, since the Hostinger Website Builder doesn't have a built-in pop-up tool, we'll use a third-party service called ElfSite, which allows you to create one widget for free. Go to the ElfSite website, click on Create Widgets, and here search Popup in the search bar. Now choose Pop-up Widget. You'll now see various templates. Select the one you like and click Continue with this template. From here, you can customize the pop-up by changing images, text, and layout. To replace an image, just upload one from your computer. You can also adjust settings such as frequency, display pages, devices, schedule, and even add triggers to control when and where your pop-up appears. Once your customization is done, click Publish. And when prompted, choose the free plan. If you don't already have an account, you can sign up on ElfSite for free in just a couple of minutes. After publishing, you'll receive a code snippet. Copy that code. Now, go back to your Hostinger Website Builder. From the left side menu, click on the three dots and select Integrations. Then click Custom Code and paste your ElfSite pop-up code there. Alternatively, if you prefer not to use the Custom Code section, click on Add Element from the left menu. Find Embed Code, drag it to your page, and paste the pop-up code there. You can resize or minimize the embed block so it's not visible to visitors, then click Preview. And that's it. Your pop-up is now successfully added to your Hostinger website using ElfSite. So that is how you can add pop-up in Hostinger Website Builder. So that's all for this video. Thanks.